Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. First thing that you should do is to simply open GoDaddy and log in into your account. Click on your name on this arrow, then choose My Products. And after that, you should scroll down till you find here in the domains section. And now click on DNS. Once you click on DNS, it will show here DNS management, the name. Just copy it. Now go and open Shopify and go to the settings, then go to domains, then paste the name just right here and click on next. After that, you can go back to GoDaddy, go to the same page right here and go to the CNAME www. Then click on delete record. And after that, go on the top and click on add record. Then choose here the type CNAME and the name here www and the value here shops.myshopify.com and click on save. After that, add a new record and choose the type A. Then here in the name put at. Then enter here this value. Then click on save. And after that, go back to Shopify. Then click on verify connection and you are all done. That is it. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.